See, as far as the qiraat, choice of qiraat is concerned, Mushaf Usmani is dependable qiraat because a lot of Sahaba participated in telling him with reference to Rasulullah's life, he used to recite these verses like this. And in addition to that, there was also written proof. Because although Zair Zabar is not found in the Quran in those days, but when they read Khatamun Nabiyyin, they read Khatamun Nabiyyin, never Khatimun Nabiyyin. So either way, this is my position. Even if you choose Khatimun Nabiyyin, the difference will not be at all any significant difference. Because if he is Khatimun Nabiyyin, would that mean that he has killed all the prophets before him? So whether it is Khatam or Khatim, practically it means the same thing, that before him all prophets of God have passed away. And that is an additional proof of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's death as well. If it's Khatim al-Nabiyyin in the real sense of, without calling it metaphorical, in the real sense Khatim, then how could Isa alayhi salam escape from his Khatimiyya? So this is a small thing, small question, but main thing is, which should be pronounced, that take any Quran with Arab and word Khatam will be found as Khatam, not as Khatim, which means the very best, the highest, after whom no equal can ever come. You see, I have particularly seen all the various Quran Kareem as published in Saudi Arabia, and the word is, in every Quran, the word is always Khatam, never Khatim. So they are very particular about these things, and you can prove your case with the help of any Quran which is published in Saudi Arabia.